હવે સેક્શન ડી ચાલુ કરીશું વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. જો 46મો પ્રશ્ન, રીડ ધ ડાયલોગ એન્ડ complete the indirect narration given below, choosing the correct option from the brackets. લખો, Richa greeted Vinita with a hi and asked her how she was thinking. Vinita said that she was fine. Richa asked Vinita what she has during the Diwali vacation. Vinita replied that they had a company camp in Rampur and added that they were 30 girls. ચાલો છે, join the sentence using the appropriate conjunction in the brackets. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, using the appropriate conjunctions given in the brackets. 47મો પ્રશ્ન, she is the swimmer, her parents encourage her a lot. લખો એનો જવાબ, she is the swimmer whose parents encourage her a lot. 48મું, Mahesh is a good boy, all teachers like him. તો લખો, Mahesh is a good boy, therefore all teachers like him. 49મું, Neha will watch a movie, Neha will go for a picnic. તો Neha will either watch a movie or go for a picnic. ચાલો 50મું છે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, રિવાઇડ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ ફિલિંગ ઇન ધ બ્લેન્ક્સ વિથ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ વર્ડ્સ ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ્સ. લખો, ધ બ્રહ્મપુત્ર ઇઝ વન ઓફ ધ લોંગેસ્ટ રિવર્સ ઇન ધ વર્લ્ડ. ઇટ ઇઝ વન ઓફ ધ rare rivers whose appearance and nature keep changing according to the season. હવે છે ડુ એઝ ડિરેક્ટેડ. જો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો 51નો સીધો જવાબ લખાવું છું, આન્સર લખો 51. A speech was given by the principal on the Independence Day. He said our freedom fighters should be respected by us. He was praised by all the students. લખી શકો છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. હવે છે 52મું, તો લખો 52માનો જવાબ, The servants were arranging vases on the tables. They put flowers in it. While doing so, they broke glasses. What will they do now? ચલો હવે છે સિલેક્ટ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ટુ ગેટ ધ અંડરલાઇન્ડ વર્ડ્સ, ફ્રેઝ ધેર આન્સર્સ. તો લખો 53મું, Shefali went to meet her uncle last week. તો લખો, when did Shefali go to meet her uncle? 54મું, there is a little water in the river. How much water in there in the river? 55મો પ્રશ્ન, the passengers have been waiting for 1 hour. તો લખો, since when have the passengers been waiting? ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સેક્શન ઈ ચાલુ કરીશું. સેક્શન ઈમાં જુઓ, રાઇટ એ પેરેગ્રાફ. 56મો પ્રશ્ન જુઓ, રાઇટ એ પેરેગ્રાફ ઇન અબાઉટ 125 વર્ડ્સ ઓન ધ ફોલોવિંગ. એમાં લખો, માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટ. ચાલો લખીશું, માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટ, આઈ વુડ નેમ હિમ મિત્ર, અ ફ્રેન્ડ. Mitra would be metallic blue in color. He would have arms that could stretch for a long distance, at least 2 feet. Mitra would be programmed to all the household work like dusting, sweeping, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, repairing electrical and electronics appliances. It is, in short, Mitra would be any best friend. He would also do my homework and take it as well. He would help me with my studies and solve all my difficulties too. Mitra would play games with me. He would take care of all my needs and comfort. But one special quality Mitra would have is emotions and feelings. He would not just be a machine but a machine with a heart. Mitra would be my pride. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, 57મો પ્રશ્ન છે, draft an email on behalf of Gaurav Mehta to his uncle thanking him for a birthday gift. લખો, to mukesh65@gmail.com. subject, your birthday gift, dear uncle. Your birthday gift. લખો, how sweet of you to think of me on my birthday. Your wonderful gift is welcome and still more welcome are your loving wishes. The calculator is really very nice with all the scientific operations that I need. In fact, I was thinking of buying one like this myself. It makes my work so quick and easy and accurate too. My friends admire this beautiful piece. But really, it is very kind of you to give me such an expensive gift. However, I am grateful to you for it and accept it with great joy. I thank you for your good wishes. Affectionately yours, Gaurav. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજના વિડીયો લેક્ચર માટે જો તમને આ વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો લાઇક કરશો, તમારા મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરશો અને મારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ પણ કરશો. આવજો.